Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to silence myQ garage door opener. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you use myQ with your home and you want to go ahead and silence that beeper. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, the surprising thing is that it's actually going to require you to remove your garage door opener. And there's like 2 screws out. And so all you've got to do is open up a screw and pull off the speakers. The speaker is like this little round thing with a hole in the middle with pliers. And so once you pull that out, it's no longer going to beep when you actually go ahead and close your garage. Now, a lot of people have been complaining online. I've been doing some research on this, in which once you actually start closing your garage, the beeping is for safety reasons. And yes, it's obnoxious. It's kind of surprising that myQ doesn't allow you to actually silence the beep under notifications and alerts. But that's the way I've been able to do it, is that I basically just took my garage opener. There's about 2 screws out. You open up the screws and the little speaker is like a little round thing with a hole in the middle. I'll include a picture of it on screen. And so pull it out with pliers. And then now every time you close your garage, it should be quiet. So I hope this video was helpful. Again, myQ needs to fix this issue. It's kind of annoying. Let me know if you agree with this in the comments. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.